Good to have you back here. Welcome to today's section where we will explore common functions in Excel that help you efficiently analyze data sets. So by the end of this class, you understand how to use your sum, the average, maximum and minimum functions to perform basic data analysis quickly and accurately. So let's look at the introduction to functions. What do you mean by a function? A function in Excel is a predefined formula that performs a specific calculation or task. Functions save time and reduce error when working with large data sets. So this is a syntax for your function. When you want to use your function, we have your function name and the argument. The function name, that is the name of the function. Maybe you want to use your sum, your average, your minimum, your maximum. That is the function name. So the argument is the range of the cells or value the function uses to calculate the result. So these are your ranges, your arguments. So this is what you will use in calculating your functions. So common functions and their uses. Let's look at the sum function. It is used to add up the value in a range of cells. Okay, let's do this. To get the total mark of everything here, let's get the total mark of everything here, that is equal to sum and what range? This range. We want this range. Then you close your brackets. Don't forget to close your brackets. Enter. We have 255. So instead of you writing the same formula in all cells, you can just drag this down. So it will automatically calculate for this and this with the one under. So when you want to get so this sum range, it adds all the value of maths, English and science together. So the average function is calculate the mean average of values in a range, whereby you use your average equal to average, you open your brackets. So what do you want to do? Average of these three. You close your brackets. What do we have? 85. Then you can just drag this down. So we look at the minimum and the maximum. Find the smallest value in a range of cells. That is your minimum. It finds the smallest value in a range of cell, which is a lower mark. So we can just do minimum of this equal to minimum close your brackets. You have 78. 78 is your minimum, the lowest mark. 78. Drag this down. 84, 75 and 89. So you do the same thing for your maximum, equal to max of this. Highlight this, your range, close your brackets, enter. Then you can just drag this box here, drag it down to autofill there. So we will we've done the average, the highest mark, the total mark. We've done the total mark, we've done the average. To find the average score of each student, to identify why the highest mark is to identify the highest score for each student. And let me give you some tips for using function. So make sure you select ranges carefully. Ensure the range in your formula cover all relevant cells.